Hi guys, this is Custodio here, and this is Postman Beginner Tutorial in 2020. We are going to talk about the user interface, okay? So the agenda for today is let's put our hands on. Let's take a look at the UI of Postman, okay? So I'm going to here double click on this shortcut to open Postman. Okay. So that's it. This is just the UI of Postman. When you think about Postman, you should think about a browser, right? Here we have the header of this browser, this tool, okay? So here we have a sidebar, okay? And we have here the tab, okay? We can open more than one tab. So let's start talking about some features that you're gonna use on Postman. So you can go here in header and click on the button new. It will open this dialog box here with a lot of elements. Let's check. The building blocks. We can create a request. You can create a collection. A collection is just a bunch of requests that you can run, okay? We can call it test cases. And then you can simulate some environment, create some environment like non-registered users and registered users and run your test cases. And then you have here an advanced API documentation, mock server, and monitor. These three things here we can cover in other videos, okay? So let's see other features that we have here in header. You have here the import collections, right? If you click here, it will give some options to import data to Postman, okay? And then you have here a runner to run your collections. If you click here, it will open this box. So here you have the runner to run your test cases. I'm gonna make a video just about runner, okay? So let's go back here in the UI. You can go to the sidebar and check here in the history. When you click here, you have here all the requests that you sent, okay? You have here stored here. And you can make an option if you want to save the responses or not. Here on this tab is where you create your collections, is where you can check your requests and the responses. And this tab here, you can, if you just sign in the website, if you have an account there on Postman, you can sign in and start creating some APIs. Okay? And here on this tab is where you effectively start working in your API tests. You have here, start something new. You can create a request, create a collection, and create an environment. It is the same thing, the same elements when you click here on the button new, and you check here, okay? So in this tab area, you can check here the environments that you set it up. I just had set it up one environment here. You can check the environment active at the moment and the globals, okay, your variables. I just have 3 variables created here, okay, and then here you can manage your environments, okay. So I like to work in a dark mode. I don't like this kind of mode here, white mode. So I'm gonna activate it here. Yes, this is just the mode I like to work, the dark mode. Okay, so was just a presentation about the UI of Postman. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.